Welcome to Sandhya Lessons. Blossoms 5 English Reader. Blossoms 5 Workbook. In this video, we shall complete the worksheets from Lesson 2, My Sweet Memory. We shall complete worksheets 2.3 and 2.4 from Lesson 2. Read the passage on page number 21-22 from the lesson and answer the following. And the passage is, I woke up early today. I went out for a walk in the morning. The cool breeze was pleasant. The coconut palms were swaying lazily. My grandfather was busy with some farmers in the fields. Some of them were cutting the crops and some of them were threshing the paddy. The air was filled with the sweet sound of birds all over, singing in their sweet voices. The cuckoo's song was perhaps the most enchanting. By the time I reached home, delicious breakfast was ready. I freshened up and had the tastiest breakfast. Meanwhile, a girl, Pallavi, our neighbor, came to our house and we played for a while. Pallavi showed me how to play with a tire and a stick. We happily ran down the lanes balancing the tire with a small stick. She was very eager to show me the village. We stopped to talk to Pallavi's friends Aman, Peter and Shruti. Aman was helping his father in milking their cows. Peter and Shruti were sitting with their grandmother, breaking groundnut pods and piling them neatly. Later, they would take the nuts to the village market to sell them. I helped them for some time. Now, let us fill the missing letters in the words from the passage. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. S-W-A-Y-I-N-G, swaying. P-A-D-D-Y, paddy. Second Roman is, underline the words ending with ing from the reading text on page number and copy them below. One has been done for you. Let us underline the words ending with the ing form in the passage. Swaying, cutting, threshing, singing, enchanting, balancing. Now let us write these words in the space provided. Cutting, threshing, singing, enchanting, balancing. The third Roman in the worksheet is, make the words as shown below and write them in the blanks. Groundnut, G-R-O-U-N-D-N-U-T, groundnut. P-E-A-N-U-T, peanut. W-A-L-N-U-T, walnut. B-E-T-E-L-N-U-T, betelnut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. C-A-S-H-E-W-N-U-T, cashew nut. Worksheet 2.4. Read the passage on page number 22-23 from the lesson and answer the following. The passage is, today my mother and my aunt took me to the canal for a bath. There were many children splashing around in the canal. Some boys were climbing to the top of the tall tamarind tree. Girls were playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. I played for some time in the cool water, but I could not swim. So I sat on a big smooth rock and watched my friends swimming like fish. They talked and laughed a lot as they washed their clothes and dried their wet hair in the sun. The canal was so clean that I could see the pebbles and colorful fish swimming by. I love the scenery. We returned home in the city. The trip to our grandparents' house was very enjoyable. Those 3 days flew away so fast. I realized that during my stay, I neither watched television nor played video or mobile games. I am eagerly looking forward to my next visit. First Roman in the worksheet is write some names of games and sports you know. Caroms, 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 CHESS, chess, FOOTBALL, football, TENNIS, tennis, BASKET, BALL, basketball. Second Roman is write some sentences using the table given below. We have to write some sentences using the words given in the table. Trees give us shade, hens give us eggs, flowers give us sweet smell, cows give us milk, clouds give us rain. Thank you for watching.